Hello students, today we are going to learn letters A to L, okay. With flashcards we are going to learn. Flashcards means like these cards it will be there and some pictures will be there with the name, okay. And we are going to learn today in a sequence A to L. A to L, okay. In a sequence we are going to write. Sequence means A, after A which letter will come, after B which letter will come, like this we are going to write one by one, okay. Let's start. Okay, A. First we have to write A. We have to start from A like this. We already learnt cursive letter A, then after A, B. Like this, okay. Let us learn first A letter words, okay. This is called capital A and this is small a, and this is small cursive A. A, apple, A, ant. And apple word also starts with the A letter and ant word also starts with A letter. Here are two more extra pictures. See, like axe and aeroplane. These words also starts with A letter. Okay, next B. Okay, B. This is capital B, this is small b, and this is small cursive b. Okay, B, bag, B, ball, B, bell, B, bat. Okay, these are the letters which starts with letter B. Okay, next after B, C will come. Okay, sound of C is k. C, cat, C, cake, car, C, cup, like this, slant line, curve, then this one, C, cap. In this summer you like to wear cap and you like to eat cake, you like to have a coffee in coffee mug or in a cup, okay, like this. Okay, after C, A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog. Make a C, then go touch up, slant line, come back down, touch the line, like this, D. Okay. To remember, if you forget the letters, you have to start from the beginning. A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog. After D, next you have to write E. A slant line, make a small loop, touch the line, like this, E. E, egg, E, elephant. Next after E, F will come. Standing line, F will come in a 4 letters. Okay. Next A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog, E, elephant, F, fish. Next G, grapes. Make a C, go touch up, come down standing line, turn like this, make a loop, slant line. G, grapes, G, girl, G, gown. Okay. After G, next H you have to write. All the letters will start with the third line like this. Slant line, standing line, then like this you have to turn and write. H. This is H, a hand, H, a hen. Okay. After H, I. Slant line, standing line, then dot. Okay. Same like I, you have to write J. Slant line, standing line, J will come in third line. J letter will come in 3 lines. Okay. I letter will come in 2 lines, J letter will come in 3 lines. And for J, loop will come, and for I, loop will not come. Okay. Next we have to write K and L. K and L. We already learnt L, and today we are going to, with the help of this L, today we are going to learn this K. Okay. Like this. First you have to make L, like this standing line. Then again you have to go back with the same line. Then make a loop, touch here in middle. Then slant line like this. Just like R. Okay. K, kite. Slant line, make a loop, standing line, go back again, touch here, slant line, like this, K. K ka kite. Till you finish the letter, you should not lift your hands. Okay. L. L is a very easy letter. You can write it nicely. Line, like this. Okay. L leaf. L leaves. Okay. L lollipop. Okay. Like this, you have to learn the letters. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.